Experiencing a black screen on your Fitbit Inspire 3 can be frustrating. This section explains the common causes, which typically fall into three categories: software glitches, battery problems, or hardware defects. We'll define each of these clearly so you can understand what might be happening with your device. Software issues can arise from outdated firmware. Battery problems can stem from unexpected drain or failure to charge, especially in extreme temperatures. And hardware defects can be due to manufacturing flaws. Knowing the root cause is the first step towards fixing it. Before diving into more complex solutions, let's try the quick fixes. The first thing to try is a force restart. Press and hold the side button on your Fitbit Inspire 3 for 10 to 15 seconds. This often resolves software freezes. Next, ensure your Fitbit has sufficient charge. Connect it to the charger and let it charge for at least 30 minutes, even if the screen remains black. A depleted battery is a frequent culprit. After these steps, check if the screen comes back to life. If a force restart and charging don't resolve the black screen issue, the problem may be with the Fitbit software. Let's explore software solutions. First, use the Google Fit app on your smartphone to check for available firmware updates for your Inspire 3. Install any updates you find. This can resolve software glitches causing the black screen. If the problem persists, perform a factory reset. This will erase all data on your Fitbit and restore it to its original settings. To do this, go to Device Settings in the Google Fit app and look for the Factory Reset option. Note, you may need to unpair then repair your device to the app. Remember, Factory Reset should be a last resort as it clears all your data. If the previous troubleshooting steps haven't resolved the black screen issue, the problem may be hardware-related. Common hardware defects include a faulty OLED display, loose internal connections, or a malfunctioning power button. These types of hardware issues usually require professional repair or complete device replacement, as they involve delicate internal components. Contact Google Fitbit support to explore your warranty options. If your device is less than 2 years old, they have expanded warranty coverage specifically for screen-related defects. Important: don't attempt to open or repair the device yourself, as this could void your warranty and potentially cause further damage. Prevention is key to avoiding future black screen problems on your Fitbit Inspire 3. Let's explore some essential preventative measures. First, keep your Fitbit Inspire 3 charged above 20% to prevent battery-related black screen issues. Low battery levels can cause unexpected shutdowns or freezes. Second, avoid exposing the device to extreme temperatures, especially cold conditions. Lithium-ion batteries degrade faster in cold weather, leading to black screen problems. Third, be mindful of water exposure. Although the Inspire 3 has an IP68 rating for water resistance, prolonged or excessive exposure can still cause internal damage, leading to black screens. Finally, regularly sync your device with the Google Fit app. This ensures you have the latest software updates and bug fixes that can prevent black screen issues. Let's look at some real-world scenarios. Many users have reported their Inspire 3 screens going black after firmware updates, often resolved by a soft reset. Others have experienced issues during cold weather, leading Google to release temporary app patches. There have even been cases of community developers creating custom scripts to recalibrate the display via Bluetooth, offering a grassroots solution for tech-savvy users. These examples highlight the diverse range of potential causes and solutions. According to experts, black screen issues are a common problem in low-cost wearables like the Fitbit Inspire 3. While software fixes can address some causes, hardware defects indicate supply chain challenges in OLED production. The trend is towards improved ecosystem integration and AI-driven diagnostics to proactively identify potential issues. Future Fitbit models are expected to incorporate self-healing displays and enhanced battery tech, potentially eliminating black screen problems altogether. Until then, software patches and preventative measures are crucial. If you've exhausted all troubleshooting steps and your Fitbit Inspire 3 screen remains black, it's time to reach out to Google Fitbit support. Their website offers detailed troubleshooting guides and multiple contact options, including live chat and direct messaging. Before contacting support, check your warranty status. Google has expanded coverage to include screen-related defects for devices purchased within the last 2 years. This expansion addresses common hardware issues like OLED display failures, as noted in recent support advisories. When contacting support, be prepared with key information. When the issue first occurred, all troubleshooting steps you've attempted, and your device's serial number. The serial number can usually be found on the original packaging or within the device settings. Depending on your situation, Google Fitbit support may provide a repair under warranty, device replacement, or other appropriate solutions to resolve the black screen issue.